start Debian server is how to increase the visible area for this black terminal. From VirtualBox menu, you can select from view and scale mode. Now the VirtualBox tell us that if we want to exit from this view, we need to press the right control button and the letter C. So when I press the switch, now the terminal is much bigger, and now if I want to get out from this view, I will press the right control button and C. Okay, let me get inside this mode again so you can see much more easy the commands. Okay, now Debian server asks us to log in like a regular user or like a root or sudo user. So I'm gonna log in like a root, and now we need to insert the password. For example, if I want to check how much RAM the virtual machine use, and now the system use 270 megabytes, and the total limit is around 4 gigabytes. The next useful command is to learn how to shut down the virtual machine. This can be happen with the command system ctl or from system controller power off. And now when I press the enter, the virtual machine will shut down. And the next time when you want to start the virtual machine, you can do it from the start button.